So welcome to this video on resultant electric field. Now if you see this numerical problem, it is from electrostatics and pertains to the electric field due to an infinitely long charged wire. तो इस प्रॉब्लम के अंदर दो वायर्स हैं बट दोनों वायर्स एक दूसरे के परपेंडिकुलर हैं और आपको एक पोजीशन निकालनी है जहाँ पे कोई पॉइंट चार्ज के ऊपर नेट रिजल्टेंट फोर्स ज़ीरो लगेगी. So your agenda is to find the position at which this point charge should be kept and it experiences net force as zero force. Now the key concept you must be able to understand, I have written on the right hand side, is that the electric field due to an infinitely long charged wire is radial in nature, right? So if you understand that what is the meaning of the word radially pointing, then you can assume the position of this point charge and find the force due to the wire, which is plus lambda linear charge density, and then due to the other wire which has the linear density of lambda by 4, equate the force, use the concept of equilibrium taught in class 11 and find the place at which the charge should be kept to experience the resultant force as zero. But you must focus on the word radially. If you understand the electric field due to the infinitely long wire is radial, you will be able to do this numerical very quickly. Thank you very much.